Hey, how are you? John Dowie from Dowie Farm with a Microgreens Minute. That's what we're going to call this. It's my first one. Hey, just going to talk about real quick tips around the grow room, things like that on these little minutes. Keep it nice and short. I'm going to try to keep these to 1 minute. If you want to support us, if you want to know more, join us at patreon.com/microgreens. Okay, and that's our Patreon channel where we're teaching classes. I'm doing very in-depth videos over there, or just subscribe on YouTube. You can also support us through Amazon through our YouTube channel links. I just want to talk about paper towels real quick. People miss the paper towel thing often when you want to put them on top of the greens when you're planting a bottom layer, such as what I have here. I have borage, I have sunflower, I have corn, okay, and I have beets and so on. But what I'm going to do is I have paper towels over here. It's going to end up being more than a minute. And they're just regular brown paper towels like you'd see at a gas station or a restaurant, okay? And I'm going to, I like this dispenser myself. It really helps out. You can get this stuff on Amazon. I'll link to it. But anyway, I take 2 paper towels and I put them on the trays. Come over here with me. I put them on these trays like such. And before I do this, I spray the seeds to get soil contact. But anyway, I put them on there, and then I spray them, and then I stack a top layer. And what that does is that keeps it so that the seeds don't stick to the bottom of the next tray, okay? And it's good stuff. It keeps them from drying out too, which is beautiful. It emulates a top layer of soil essentially. But anyway, that's John from Dowie Farm with your Microgreens Minute. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.